Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do, I guess it's a breakfast thing where you can use it as a dessert as well, or an afternoon tea or something. It's really refreshing. I'm going to make mine for breakfast. So it's a poached pear. I'm not going to use any alcohol. I'm going to use some orange juice, some cinnamon, some cloves. It's going to be nice and spicy with that cinnamon going through it. Just a subtle flavor of, I don't want it too sort of tangy. I just want to keep the natural juices from the pear. So if you want to make a delicious breakfast, poached pears is the way to go. Start by adding 500 ml of water and 500 ml of orange juice. To this I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks, some orange zest and some lemon zest, and then I'm going to add 3 whole cloves. To this mixture I'm going to add my pears, which I've peeled. I'm adding 4. You can make 6 or 8 or just 2 or 3, it's up to you. Get it onto a gentle simmer, place the lid on, and then we want to bring this to a boil. Stir it gently, and then after about 5 or 10 minutes we want to just take a little bit of that froth off the top. That's all the impurities that are coming out. You want to cook these pears till they're nice and soft. This stops the cooking process. Let them cool down overnight, and I'm serving mine nice and cold in the morning. You can choose to warm them up if you like and have them with porridge. I'm having mine with some beautiful fresh yogurt and some muesli. Thanks again guys for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so and you will be notified with all my up and coming videos. Until next time, you have yourselves a great week. Bye for now.